Welcome to Kitchen Q. Today we are going to make turmeric latte, also known as golden drink. This is a very healthy and delicious drink which have multiple health benefits. I will tell you the health benefits in the end of this video. Let's get started. To make this healthy golden drink, we need 1.5 cup of cow's milk. You can even use coconut milk or almond milk. 1 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder. For spices, we need crushed black pepper, cinnamon, dry ginger, and cardamom. And some sugar for sweetness. So let's begin this amazing recipe with these ingredients. Add fresh milk into the vessel and wait for it to boil. Once it starts to boil, now add turmeric powder and mix well. Once the turmeric and milk mixes well, now add our spice mix and boil the spices well. Now add sugar into the mixture. Now we have to boil the milk till it reduces to 1 cup. You can now see that the mixture has become thick. Now it's ready to be served. Wow, the aroma of blended spices is simply awesome. This is an excellent immunity boosting and blood purifying drink. Drink it daily and feel the difference. Enjoy! Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes.